Welcome back to another Crafty Workshop Builds video. Today we're going to be replacing the front brake pads on a B7 Audi A4, and please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned. After removing the wheel, you can see that this car did not have an anti-rattle spring. I'm going to be installing new ones, but I'll just insert a clip to show how to remove it. Please be sure to wear safety glasses during this process, because while removing this spring, it might go flying. Now I'll remove the 221mm hex bolts that's holding on the caliper. There's one at the top and one at the bottom. Once the bolts are removed, I use a screwdriver to pry off the caliper. I support the brake caliper with a jack stand, then remove the brake pads and disconnect the brake sensor. Then I use a 7mm hex bit socket to remove the brake caliper slider pins. I install and grease the new pins, and now I'll retract the brake piston. Once the piston is retracted, I install the new pads and the caliper bracket. Now it's time to reinstall the caliper onto the rotor and secure it with the 2 bolts. And again, don't forget to wear safety glasses when working with the anti-rattle spring. This is the easiest way I have found to install this spring. I start from the top, then pry with 2 screwdrivers, then tap it in. This is what it should look like when it's installed correctly. That's it for this one. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, and I'll catch you in the next one.